The following video tutorial will show you two ways to use the Drill Deck cognitive reaction cards in context to the ReFactor IQ target. Before we get to the tutorial, I should mention these cards can be used in many other ways than what the video shows. You are only limited by your imagination and creativity. Your target should be placed downrange at a distance you're comfortable with. The cards can be placed on a table, in your pocket, or in a holder on your belt. Now let's get started and draw our first card. There are two indicators on the card you need to focus on. There is the primary indicator, represented here by the A green square box. This is the area on the target you will be placing the shots. The numeral indicator in the corner tells you how many shots to take. So your target will look like this. Let's flip another card. In this case, you will put 3 shots in the number 1 blue circle. It should look similar to this. Let's flip another. In this case, you will put 4 shots in the C red circle. It should look similar to this. I'm sure you're getting the hang of it by now, but let's flip another card. So in this case, you'll put 2 shots in the A yellow triangle, and it should look similar to this. Before I flip another card, I need to explain another indicator you will see on the next card. Until now, your position on the range has been static in relation to the target, but the Drill Deck incorporates movement indicators represented by colored stripes. So let's flip that next card. Your first indicator will now be the colored stripe, which means to move to that position before engaging the target. Let's go to the virtual range so I can show you what I mean. Here you see the target and colored cones spaced laterally and parallel to the target. So in the case of the red stripe, you would move to the red cone first and then engage the target based on the card indicators. An alternate cone configuration could be to place the colored cones perpendicular to the target, facilitating movement up and down the range. There are multitudes of ways you can use the movement indicators, and these are just 2 examples. Let's go back to the cards. In this case, you will move to the red position first, then put 3 shots in the C white circle. It looks similar to this. Staying in the red position, you would flip the other card, which is our last card. In this case, you'll move to the green position, put 5 shots in the A green square. It should look similar to this. That concludes this tutorial. We guarantee this will be a solid part of your training, either by yourself, with friends, or with instructors. There are drill decks for other targets, and click on the link to find out what those are. Now get out and train.